Welcome to Sliding Door Pro, your trusted resource for expert sliding door repair and maintenance, serving homes and businesses across the USA. For more than a decade, we've helped homeowners and businesses across the USA with professional sliding door repairs. Whether it's a jammed track, broken glass, or a door that just won't slide smoothly, we fix it all. Our trained technicians handle everything from basic patio door fixes to more complex glass, shower, or frame repairs. Sliding doors take a beating over time. Tracks can get clogged, rollers wear down, glass can crack, and weather seals start leaking. These issues not only affect how your door works, but they can also increase energy bills, pose safety risks, and ruin the look of your space. At Sliding Door Pro, we offer a full range of repair and replacement services to keep your doors working like new. We fix squeaky or loose hinges so your door opens and closes smoothly, and repair cracked or damaged frames to ensure a proper fit and secure seal. Our weather stripping services stop drafts and help keep your home energy efficient. If your shower door is loose, foggy, or not closing properly, we'll restore its function and appearance. We safely replace cracked or broken glass using high-quality materials. And if you're unsure what's wrong, our general door repair service covers everything from rollers and tracks to handles and locks. When repairs aren't enough, we provide full door replacement, handling everything from removal to installation. And if your patio door is stuck or dragging, we'll get it sliding smoothly again so you can enjoy your space with ease. Our every service call starts with a detailed inspection of your sliding door system. We check everything. That includes mechanical parts like rollers, tracks, and hinges to electric components like motors and circuit board components. Not only are the main components checked, but also the supporting components are thoroughly examined. Once diagnosed, we use premium parts and professional tools to complete your repair. From replacing damaged glass to fixing stubborn rollers or sealing out drafts, we handle it all with precision. All our technicians are trained as per industry standards and are certified to carry out services with OEM specifications. Whatever the problem, we're just one call away. We're fast, friendly, and affordable, and we care about keeping your doors safe and easy to use. Call Sliding Door Pro today or visit the link given below in the description and book your service appointment now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.